Marketing leaders deserve a seat in corporate boardroom. Why? Because they bring something priceless to the table. That is customer insight. A corporate boardroom might have a financial head, data head, product head, legal head, business head, technology head, even the process head as well. But a marketing head should be there, and they will talk about what the customers want and what the business actually deliver, and they efficiently identify where is the gap between two. Okay, while rest of the members are excellent at reviewing the financials, governance, policy compliance, but a marketing leader's perspective ensures the decision taken at the meeting aligns with the people that matters to the business. Here I am indicating the customers. In India, many startups, even emerging companies, don't even consider marketing leaders to the corporate boardroom. They think that marketing leaders only talk about advertisement, campaigns, creativity. But in today's rapidly changing world, most of the marketers have evolved and they drive digital strategies to keep your companies ahead of the competition. They dive deep into data analytics to turn customer behavior into actionable insight. They talk about customer engagement. They talk about customers' involvement with the brand. They talk about customer sentiment around the brand. And that helps them build trust and loyalty in the digital space. And these are not just nice to have skills for them to manage the brand. With the skills, they become mission critical for your brand, for your business. And whatever the decisions you are taking in your corporate boardroom, that decision, if that decision has a far or near connection with your audience, with your customers, and that decision should be validated by the marketing leaders. So what I'm trying to tell you that you should consider a marketing leader to your corporate boardroom to stay customer centric. And your marketing leader would help you anticipate the industry trends, and they will help you adapt to market shift, and they will help you build a sustainable growth strategy. And there is no one better than them to help to deliver on this. Okay, and if you lack this perspective, it would be like trying to steer a ship without looking at the horizon. And if you haven't yet included any marketing leader to your corporate boardroom, then it's time to rethink how your boardroom should be composed. By welcoming marketing expertise, you can make better decisions that aligns with your customer needs. You can drive brand innovation and you can foster a long-term success. So you go back and let your marketing leader get their seat they deserve. That's it from me, and if you like this video and if you have any query, you can write to me in the comment box. I will definitely get back to you. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and I will come back soon with another video. Till then, goodbye.